Hello, welcome back, guys. So today in this live tutorial video, basically I'm at a resistance zone, but I'm buying here. Okay, my stop loss, my target. Okay, because why I took this trade, why I'm taking this trade. Okay, because of the bullish momentum, because it will give me a breakout here. Okay, will definitely give me a breakout here. Suppose check this daily time frame. Okay, bullish candle, green candle, again candle, and up. It will go up, man, because of it making continuously this one, this higher high and breakout here, this higher high, higher low. It will definitely go on this level here, then this one, like this one. This is the simple strategy. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, so stay tuned on this trade. Okay, guys, after 3 hours. Okay, check our profit. Okay, yes, there is also resistance here. Okay, let's wait and watch. So we will be back, and we have to break even our trade. Break even. No more worries, baby.